This thumbnail is generated with AI. If your videos don't get enough clicks, it's usually because your thumbnails aren't good enough. Big creators, they hire designers to get more clicks on their thumbnails, but that is an expensive solution. So instead, you can use AI for that. Today, I will introduce Pikzels AI that generates high-quality thumbnails for YouTube videos. But is this tool actually good enough? To understand this better, I will show its 3 main features step by step, and by the end of this video, you will exactly know if this tool is right for you or not. Starting with the first feature, prompt to thumbnail. This one on the left side is a real thumbnail, and on the right side, we see an AI-generated version. Before I show you how to create it, you can sign up for free from the link below and follow along. Once you're in, you will see a simple prompt box. Just describe here what your thumbnail should include. For my version, I just typed a quick prompt, a hand holding an iPhone with bold red text, and in less than 10 seconds, this was the result. However, if you think the first generated thumbnail isn't good enough, you can simply give one more try and it will generate another one. You can even edit your thumbnails inside this tool, but before I show you that, let's explore the second feature that recreates existing thumbnails. This is a thumbnail from Ali Abdal's channel, and here is the one I recreated with AI. Pretty close, right? Normally, making a clean thumbnail like this would mean setting up props, taking photos, and editing in Photoshop. But Pikzels replicates this in a matter of seconds. Simply paste the YouTube link of this thumbnail or uploading it from your device, click Generate, and AI builds a new version in the same style but with your own twist. Let me show you a more difficult example. On the left, you see a thumbnail from a popular game, and on the right is the version I recreated with AI. Normally, trying to copy high-performing thumbnails like this would mean spending hours in Photoshop, even if you have the design skills to pull it off. I'm not even sure if you can create this one in Canva. But Pikzels replicates this in a matter of seconds. The best part is you are not guessing anymore. You can replicate designs that already pulled in millions of views. There's even more you can do with this tool. You can put your own face to existing thumbnails, and I will show you how to do that in a minute. But before that, let's talk about editing. Now, what if the AI generates something you like, but it is not perfect yet? Inside Pikzels, you can take any thumbnail you generate and edit it right away. No need to jump into Photoshop or Canva. You can adjust the text, change the colors, move objects around, or even swap the background until it looks exactly how you want. For example, here I generated this thumbnail, but I wanted to change the car. So I just clicked Edit and described what I would like to have. This makes it super easy to polish your thumbnails without starting from scratch. And now let's talk about the third feature, face swap. This one honestly feels like cheating. Check this out. On the left is a real thumbnail of Mr. Beast, and on the right I recreated it with Elon Musk face. Looks pretty realistic, right? Here is how it works. Inside Pikzels, you create something called a persona. You just upload 10 to 15 photos of someone's face. This can also be your face or anyone you want in your thumbnails. Once that persona is saved, you can apply it to any thumbnail style. So instead of Mr. Beast's face, AI instantly replaced it with Elon Musk. Of course, if you are a YouTuber, you would upload your own photos, so the tool can drop you into proven thumbnail designs. That way, you don't just copy the style, you make it yours. If you decide to use this tool, you can make high-quality thumbnails in a matter of minutes. You won't need expensive designers or spend hours in Photoshop. You can sign up for free using the link in the description and let me know in the comments what you think about this tool. See you guys in the next video.